Hi everyone, I have a bit of a different video for today's Vlogmas. I had some footage of me packing my 2021 positive message calendars, and I thought it'd be nice just to put in a little video and put some Christmas music on top. So I'd wrapped the calendars into some cello and then also decided to wrap them all in tissue paper, so it was like a little present because a lot of them are for Christmas presents and people have bought them for their friends and family. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know if you like this type of video and I can do more. As you may tell from my previous vlogs, I'm not the most comfortable on camera, but I do like showing the process of running the online store.